Welcome everyone, I'm Steve from EMPAVA. What family doesn't love the divine scent of a freshly roasted chicken or turkey permeating throughout the house? What better way to bring the family together for an amazing meal? So today we would like to introduce 4 great wall ovens to you. We'll start with this one over here. This is the EMPAVA 24WOC02. It's a 24-inch electric single wall oven. Okay guys, now let's take a look inside the oven. Each oven comes complete with a baking tray, a rack, and a roasting spit for rotisserie style cooking, and it also has 5 different rack positions. Okay, so now let's take a look at the digital touchscreen display. If you'll notice on the right-hand side, you have your power function, the clock and timer, as well as temperature and temperature control. And on the left-hand side, we have the 10 multi-purpose cooking techniques, so you can bake, preheat, broil, roast, as well as use this for rotisserie and for defrosting. So based on the size and ease of use, this is the perfect oven for any home, RV, or mobile home. This powerful convection style cooking system circulates air from every direction to ensure ideal temperature and airflow. This means everything is cooked evenly with no cold spots. The enamel tank and surfaces in the oven require only a quick wipe down to clean. These resistant surfaces also prevent stain as well as heat-related discoloration. Now let's move on to our next electric model. This is the 24WOB14. This model has a more classic approach with 3 very easy to use knobs. One is for temperature, another one is for baking style, and the last one is a timing function. Okay, so for those of us whose kitchens use gas, I highly recommend these 2 models. The 24WO08 model and the 24WO10L model. Now they're both very similar in appearance. They both have the easy to use knobs that we've seen before that controls time, cooking style, and temperature. The only difference is the 24WO08 model uses natural gas, while the W010L model uses LPG. So all of the ovens that we've showed you today come with triple layered tempered glass and as well as low radiation coating technology. Now this performs 2 vital functions. Firstly, it allows your oven to heat up to 2.5 times faster, which saves a lot of money and energy. And also, the outside of the oven remains cool to the touch, preventing injuries and burns, keeping it safe around children.